First of all, open facebook.com/ads manager, and when you will open this link facebook.com/slash ads manager, you will come to this window. After that, simply click on this setting button. So you will come at the setting, and from here, this is the payment settings. Click on this one, payment setting, and this button will appear to your site, add payment method. So click on that and add the details like the PayPal or the bank account, whichever you want to add. After adding this amount to your ad account, we need to set up a test campaign from your side. So simply click on setting and then go to ads manager. And from here, like you can see, it's the brand new, not a single activity was done previously. So you need to create first ad from your side. If I will create the ad from my side, Facebook will disable your ads manager. Facebook wants that the first ad is set up from your own side. So simply click on create button. We are creating right now the test ad, and from here just click on traffic. Might be a one window appears where it is providing you the two options. You from those options you can just simply click on guided creation, select guided creation, and this window will appear. Just select the traffic, scroll down, no need to change anything. My side is this button is appearing setup ad account, but like you have when you are doing this, you already have set up your payment method, so continue button will appear. So simply click on that continue button. This will also not appear from your side. So from here, simply I am going to continue, but that this ad account will not appear from your side. So after selecting the traffic objective in the campaign, you will come to this window. Simply scroll to the end point and click on continue. From here, just select your own Facebook page. That Facebook page, right now you have only the one Facebook page, so that will automatically appear there. And then this option automatically select single image or video. From here, just upload any random image from your side. From your computer, any random image will work. No need to put exact one. And put your Eventbrite URL here, and just random headline. And after that, just click on confirm button, and it will go to in the review, and I will take care from the next level. So this test campaign is needed from your side, and then I will be able to start creating your ads.